Look up. The daytime sky glows a bright blue, but just beyond it, space is pure black. Why does the same sunlight paint our world in color and leave the universe dark? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never see the sky the same way again. Light from the sun travels more than 150 million kilometers to reach us. It hits the top of Earth's atmosphere in every color of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So here's the puzzle. If all that color is out there, why does our sky choose blue? And why doesn't space, which the same sunlight crosses, glow the same way? Earth is wrapped in a thin shell of gases, mostly nitrogen and oxygen. When sunlight hits these tiny molecules, something amazing happens. Light travels in waves, and shorter waves like blue and violet bounce and scatter more when they crash into those molecules. This is called Rayleigh scattering. Imagine throwing a handful of pebbles into a pond. The smaller the pebble, the wider the ripples. Our air molecules are like those pebbles, and blue light is the easiest to scatter. But why not violet? Technically, violet light scatters even more than blue. So why isn't the sky violet? Because our eyes are less sensitive to violet, and the upper atmosphere absorbs a chunk of it. Your brain blends the scattered blue with a touch of green and white into the familiar sky blue color. Now look past the air. Space is almost a perfect vacuum. No gas, no molecules. With nothing to scatter the sunlight, light keeps traveling in a straight line. If you stand on the moon, you can stare right at the sun while the sky around it stays pitch black. Here's something to blow your mind. When you see that blue above, you're not seeing a thing. You're seeing sunlight redirected billions of times by invisible particles of air. You're literally watching scattered light, not a physical dome. Ever notice sunsets glowing red and orange? At dusk, sunlight travels through more atmosphere. The short blue waves scatter away, leaving only the long red ones for your eyes. Same physics, different colors. Next time you step outside, remember this. The blue above isn't a painted ceiling. It's a living demonstration of how light and air dance together. Above that thin layer of atmosphere is endless darkness, proof of how fragile and rare our sky really is. Curiosity doesn't stop at the horizon. If today's trip through light and color sparked a new question in your mind, maybe about rainbows, auroras, or black holes, hit subscribe and let's explore it together.